the seamster at you ready to make a My lord, what's this? Oh, it can't be. For my rebirth. But these are precious. Are you certain that it's for me? Oh, my lord. How did you know? It was my only wish that I might honor you with a decent appearance. My lord, it shouldn't take me long. I'm off to see Rennala of Rea Lucaria. I'll be reborn, fresh and new.